Hi everyone, since today we will learn how to make text italic in HTML and CSS. As you can see, I got a paragraph here and there are three words that are in italics. This one, and this one. In this video you will learn how to achieve this. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor here. Let's create an index file. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. Add a link to the style sheet, which is style.css. Also use the p element here, which is the paragraph element, and have some random text. Save it. Now create a style sheet here. Select the p element. Give it a width of 70%. Margin will be 0 and auto. Border will be 1 pixel solid black. Padding will be 10 pixels. Font size will be 20 pixels. Save it. Let's open this file in the browser to see the output. And that's the output. Now there are three ways to make a text in italics. The first one is using a I tag, second is using a EM tag, and third is using font style property in CSS. So let's go to code editor. Let's pick a text here. For example, let's go with this. Let's wrap it with the I tag. Just cut and paste it. Now let's pick this one. Wrap it with EM tag. And let's pick this one. Wrap it with span tag. Give it a class of italic. Save it. Now go to CSS file. Select the I and EM tag. Give it a color of red. Select italic class. Give it a color of red. Font style will be italic. Now just save it. Go to browser. And that's the output. So this one is using I tag, this one is using EM tag, and this one is using font style property. Depending upon your requirement, you can pick any one of those. So that's enough for today. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.